Now live on YouTube. Let's see what we got going on. I ain't gonna be here too long. This candle just flipped. But I don't like how this shit was not nose diving down with no top wick on the 5 minute. But you got like a 5 minute closure under here in the next 3 minutes. Not looking bad. Not looking bad. But the best entry was definitely a break of this low if you could find a way to, justify not having a top wick. But I'd rather wait and jump the gun. Don't want to sit in an unnecessary drawdown. Yep, see? Activated people. Flip up, and I can't even sit in that little bit of drawdown. Break it that low, pull back that much, I'm out of there. The size I trade, so it is what it is. Let's see what we want to do. Oh. There you go. It might actually close below in the next couple minutes, or in the next minute. Let's see. That's not bad. That's not bad. I would need like a good ass top wick though. If not, I'll just wait till we get under here. But we'll see. And if it has no bottom wick, of course I'm not doing anything. Nah. It's moving though. Definitely.
No, sir.
Yeah. Nah. No bottom wick and no top wick. But on that flip, even though it played around for negative 25, negative 30, it wound up playing out. It came all the way up here. I'd have been out the paint. It broke this low, came all the way back up here, and came down. So, tough luck. Tough luck. Now I'm just simply waiting for this bit to get really under here. Hopefully it just goes in and fills all this out. Close under here. Break this wick. Come on down into here. But this was not bad price action in the way that it broke above to start the candle after closing, respecting right here. But per usual, you would have to either size down or just go with your normal size and have taken a loss and maybe have re-entered, maybe. So like I said, it always looks good after it plays out. but you had a candle that got you in, went negative 30. I really like negative 40. Came down, closing no bottom wick at plus 13, and then just had a random drop with no bottom wick or no top wick. So it always sounds good. It always sounds good. And I can even see it better on the 1 minute of what it actually is. So it got you in right here. There was no bottom wick on the 1 minute candle. These 1 minute candles went whoop whoop, got you out of there. Clicking in a hurry, sending about negative 40 pip drawdown. Or that's from the bottom, sorry. If you would have entered on the break of this low right here. Yeah, negative 40 still. So all good, all good. Now gold is doing gold. But yeah, this is trading view, by the way, Roger. I'm on trading view right now. So, it looks about the same to me, honestly. We're gonna see what we can do. If we gonna close like this, we ain't doing nothing. Man, when am I gonna drop my nuts and let something run in Asian session?
See, you like over like down below, place a sell stop. See if it does the same thing that I was telling you before. See, it look like that's the one click then.
Yeah. All right.
Yes. So it look like that's set up to be the one click where I was telling you like the one we do like the stop loss and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
That's what it looks like, but yeah, mine different.
Like on your phone and computer?
Yeah, like in a blank space, just right click and go to the settings. And then so yeah, you're on the one click. So that's what I'm saying. It won't let you. So if you take that off and try to do it, then you're gonna see what we were talking about.
But why would I take that off?
Nah, because if you do that, you're not gonna be able to put move no stop loss or anything. But that's up to you. I was just showing you like what it was showing me brand new.
Yeah.
Like the other way.
I mean, I'm gonna keep it where it's at right now, just so I don't gotta confirm everything, because shit be going quick. But just one click trading, add that shit on, and you don't gotta confirm it. You just do it. But I don't know, depending on like whoever's comfortability. I'm looking at this 15-minute closure in the next minute. This not be a straight little position. I know it's kind of in a range, but it's closing above the most recent. Right there, trying to target up into there. Break above this high after breaking lows. 50, 60 pip range up. Let's see if there's any resistances out. Nah, it's not looking bad. We got some wicks over here. 1 hour, no, nothing. It's not looking terrible. See T Thompson. All right, let me see how this 15-minute candle 1 closes and 2 opens. You do got a resistance right there, and then like it's a little choppy over here. But if you do really got volume, then should be straight. But it has to close above, and it has to give me a good bottom wick. If it doesn't close above, I'm damn near looking for the Tonio. So let's see. That, I mean, it did, but like, let's see. It did. Yeah, it did. But I don't like love it, to be honest. It closed above by like 1 pip. What I really think is about to happen is I think this shit about to sell if it re-break this low. But I don't want to take iffy positions. Like I can see it going up or coming down. So I'd rather just wait it out. So I got a 5-minute candle that closed bullish, obviously above this range. Then I'd maybe jump on board, but I don't want to get caught in no BS. So would have just got me in right there. Let's see how it would have played out. Like I said, it closed above by a pip, maybe right there. good. I really don't need none of this over here either. Oh, see, there you go. Nah. Now this is what makes me think the Tonio play really about to play out, just because it broke. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. But I wouldn't have did nothing on that because that was less than 1 second. Just came down. Damn.
Yeah, you weren't gonna be able to. You weren't gonna be able to do nothing.
Do nothing with that. I mean, now it's in profits again. Like,
yeah.
You know, like 34. But you wasn't gonna catch this. You would probably call it something in here, 20, 25, which is fine still. But yeah, this is weird. This is definitely weird. Like I said, I did not like this closure, and that's why I didn't get in right here, especially with this rejection area right here. If I'm gonna get a closure, I need that strong and obvious. I guess I could leave this, just make it a little smaller. I just have no need to have this down here. Yeah, that was crazy actually. You do have 820, which is COMEX open in 2 minutes. If this 5-minute candle after grabbing this bottom wick does actually close below or above now, I would fully anticipate with the 820 volume that it should break this high and get going. Or if it closes back below here and makes a top wick first, if you enter on the re-break of the low, do not be surprised if this wick gets filled and beyond. It's 2 things that can happen with that volume. You definitely want to keep an eye on the volume because we're kind of rejecting out of this same area right here, this same area right here. So just be mindful. Like, it's trading in a range, but it's just like strategically trading in a range. You do have a support right here, but that's getting a little tight, 25, 30 pips away. So it just depends on how you want to play it. It's only a 15-minute candle, 30 minutes open. So I'm not putting too much stock into a 15-minute support or resistance, but let's just see. I don't want to force anything. I'd rather close outside of the range than be worried about squeezing. That was weird as fuck. That thing broke the highs and shot down for 40. And from up here, that was like 60. That's how you blow your account. Over leveraging. That thing flipped on you in a hurry. 75 pips. And now I'm using TRADECOPIA again, so I can see how big the spreads are again. It's 5 pips again. 4 or 5 pips. All right, let's see what it's hitting on now. All right, so, okay. 5-minute candle, like I said, volume 820, just shot straight down. No, hardly any top wick, but now it's flipping again. So in the first second, it shot down 34. So it's just kind of playing around, respecting the same little area. But at the end of the day, it definitely could just be retesting this to continue up. So be careful, be smart. Probably waiting on 830 at this point. Nothing really to do here. If you get an obvious closure above here, just looking to target into here. If you close kind of in this range, you could either try to play the range game, or you could just wait until you get a closure below 72.9 or 73. So whatever floats your boat. But I would love to have taken advantage of kind of the Tonio play as we were alluding to, with this 15-minute candle breaking the high, then it kind of flipping down, but it was playing around and it jumped. But no biggie. this starts closing above, could be time. Part of me like shit, if a 5-minute candle even closes above here, it wouldn't be bad. But then you getting so damn close to 8:30, you might as well wait. Antonio, once again, it would have worked out me just blindly setting that buy stop last night, bro. I got to do it one day. I want to do it, but I'm just so scary. Bit gapped open. This close with no top wick. Boom, bro. You would have been in profits a little bit. Came down. You'd have seen about a negative 100, but you would have ate in one candle. One.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Bro, one, and it's done it the last 3-4 nights. I seen it every night, but I'm like, the night I take it, bro, I know what's going on. And I'm so tired of, you've been saying you can nickel and dime your way back, but I'm tired of it. Truth is, I'm tired.
Try it.
I might as well, bro. Like I said, I think I got, let's see, my balance is 6284. So 9,000 minus 6284. Meaning I gotta make 2716 to get back, just to get back to BE. 270 pips, 272 pips. But on my downside, my stop loss or my trailing drawdown is 6284 minus 4050, 2234. So I gotta make 2716 before losing 2234. But I feel like, kind of like we be talking about, I think I don't got to get all that in one move. I really don't. But a good little 1,000 or 1,500, that'd be smooth. See, in this instance, it would have happened in one candle. But it's just no point in me throwing that little 140 away every month paying for the data if I ain't even gonna eat off of it. I'm just, I damn near was like, bruh, I ain't even pay for this data this month. Every month, I'm like, you got to think about it. I can have a great month and make $1,500 to $2,000, and I wouldn't even be break even, bro. Like $700 away still, bro. It's all good though. I got a plan. I got a plan for that ass. Like, bro, if I see something that I like, I don't even be looking at Asian. That's my problem. Like, I don't even be thinking about this shit. But man, if I see something like this was at 20. So what is that? 8 o'clock. And at 8 o'clock closed above and say, well, I guess this is it. Whatever happens, happens. And I'd have been great on 2 candles, bro. Oh, damn. No, I wouldn't have. I'd have got right there. Came back down to plus 60. And then finished it on out. I'm going to do it, bro. I'm tired of playing this account anyway. There's no point. I'm better off like just focusing on like one screen than I am like fooling around trying to get with the thought of even getting this back to break even if I'm not making no money from it.
Yeah, that's true.
But I'll be right back. I ain't doing nothing before. Well, let's see. I don't think I am. This 5-minute could close below in 20 seconds. Do I love that though? Right in this range. Not bad. Let's see. This shit has been raining around. Yeah. All good. I'll be right back before 8:30. I'm back. Let's see. Oh man. Let's see. Damn, I want this to close closer to support because I really want this Tonio play. Damn. I don't like. Oh, no, it closed below that. That's a weird closure.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, see, that's like nothing to do there. Because you can't sell. I mean, you can, but I'm not about to sell into this support right here. Damn. What are we doing? That's why I be talking about it, just setting them buy limits off of supports and resistances, bro. I swear you can make money doing that shit. Imagine taking this buy and just putting the stop loss like right here, bro. Granted, I wouldn't have did nothing in the last like few seconds of a candle, but that's just weird. That's so crazy how we respected this resistance to the T, bro, and built this whole shit out. Like just playing a range game, bro. Just playing a range game. You are not on the mastermind on Sunday, bro. Mad.
Yeah, I didn't see it, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't get the notification.
That's crazy too, because I tagged at everyone. That's weird.
Bro, I don't know why it's not popping up anymore. I used to get the
Bruh, bell in the top right.
I know, but I'm saying my settings have been the same.
Yeah.
The whole time.
I was making sure you still had that bell turned on in the top right.
Yeah, I do.
Oh,
but I don't know why it's not giving me the push notifications anymore.
Yeah, that's super weird. But nah, we were just talking about a few things. Just kind of that we've been seeing and shit. I mean, I tell you what, Brandon and me and everybody else kind of said after the fact, but bro, what you think about just having like a buy limit right there? Like, you think you catching a falling knife at that point?
I mean, I can't really speak on it because it's something that we haven't tried.
Right. One second, let me take this call real quick.
All right.
Hello. Good morning. What's up? I'm good. How are you? But yeah, I mean, I feel like technically it's all just speculative. You know what I'm saying? From just like the eye test of what we swear we've been seeing. But you get in and you take a loss or two and you get mad about it. But it's just like, bro, this shit just keep playing out, bro. And it just kind of like annoys me just watching it. But what I told Roger and Brandon and everybody else, I was like, bro, I don't want to like size down at the expense of just having to get in just to test shit out. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Like, Brandon was like, he'll take like a buy off of this support if he like has a 5-minute green closure right here to go up. But like, as far as just like seeing this bitch just fall 150, 200 and then just setting a random
and just be
buy
like,
limit,
yep, it's gonna tap that
perfectly. And then go up.
I mean,
and it does sometimes. Especially if you're trying to catch like 20.
It does it all the time.
Yeah, hello. I mean, you could have did it right here. Bro, you
bro, if you think about it, it only didn't do it in that range 3 times if you look at the candles.
Bruh, like, I mean, yeah. I mean, if you playing your odds of just like you expecting it to go down, I mean, it really is.
It's only those red candles, to be honest, and it's really only one that closed below for real. One red candle closed below on what you was just looking at.
Mm-hmm. I'm damn near thinking about this sell right now, bro. It's not bad. Because if you close below here, get a decent top wick, but it got to close below. I'm not worried about this, and it's already 40 pips away. That's not worried about that. Let's see.
Like it's probably about to do it right now, to be honest.
No, that's why. Yeah, like I need more than this though. I ain't just about to. Yeah, see, it's about to. If it breaks right now, I'm cool on it. But like if I get like a retest up into here somewhere, a decent little top, 40, I can set a sell stop on the break of that low, anticipating that after you close below here, and I see it moving faster on my left screen than my right. That should be annoying. But it closed slightly below. All right, it just broke. Now that would be my entry. So nope. I want a better top weight than that. Damn, this is throwing me off with it being a little delayed, bro. Ugh, I hate it. I hate it. It's all good. Yep, just flipped up. So good entry avoid right there. That actually was a good Tonio play again. The more I think about it, I'll be late on it. I'll be like, wait, after we break lows every time, bro, every time. And what I did yesterday with Brandon a little bit playing around was catching these and taking my little 12 to 15, bro.
Well, I got one play today. That's it.
That's me too. I really got to leave at 9:15, like leave the house at 9:15. So I mean, I don't got to, but I just don't like being late. But yeah, I'm trying. That's why I'm gonna go ahead and copy all my accounts on one, and I got one trade in me, one trade. So I'm gonna try to execute to the max.
Yeah, I'm 30 pips away.
What'd you say?
I said I'm 30 pips away from new account.
You trade a 1 micro or talking about like on a 2 or a 3?
No, on a 1.
Oh my god. But you know what's so crazy about yesterday's trades? I was just like, bruh, those are good trades.
Yeah, bro.
Bruh, David, bro, a weak bullish closure, respecting everything, and we just get whacked out the paint. I'm like, bruh, what's going on for real?
No, the second one was definitely a good trade. I just couldn't sit in it that long.
Mm-hmm. That was Monday. Yeah, it was right there. Yeah, there you go. I was looking for it. It was right here. Right here. Candle closed above everything. Weak bullish. And I'm like, oh, bottom wick. We at least gonna come up into here somewhere. Man, that thing got in about 12, 15 pip profit. Fell out. And then finally played out later, right in here at 9:15. Came up.
This 15 kind of looking good if it closed under.
If you close under or above, really, if it maintain this support, I can see it going up. So this is what Brandon be talking about, by the way, of like when he'll buy off of this support. So like it is obviously held right here. So at this point, you like, shit, if I get a down wick on the 5-minute candle, surely I can come up into here. You know what I'm saying? But I do agree, like it's best to just chill and wait. Because if it closed below, that would be great. I would not be surprised if this does start going up, though, with the way we ranging. I just don't want to get my heart broken right here again. Not again, but heartbroken right here. Because you pull that bit to the left. Look at all the other times it stopped up right there. So, at this rate, just go ahead and close below. Like I said, I got about till 9:05. 9:05, and I gotta go get dressed and get ready to go. There ain't nothing wrong with paper trading either, though, y'all. You anticipate something to happen, just watching it happen. That's what it is. May or may not play out in this instance. I was like, this dude looked okay, but I avoided a loss. So this don't look bad from the opening, just because it got no top wick. You get in on that top wick flip, probably scalping that though, just because up into here, it's already 10, 11, 12, 13. So if it does flip, you anticipate that it should go up a little bit, but it could do this. We 4 minutes away from a 15-minute closure, bro. If this shit can just close below, that'd be great. But this 5-minute candle that has no top wick starts flipping back up, I don't close again. But let's see. I'll hang out on the 15-minute candle. Not worried about a 5-minute support. Don't give a fuck about a 5-minute. No words to Antonio. If it can close right there. Right there. Don't keep going. Please. Please stop. Pull back up. There we go. Like it's respected this 5-minute support in this instance, huh? Tapped it. Bruh, even that, Antonio. 40 pips off of that little 5-minute tap, bro. 50.
Yeah, bro.
It's got to be a way to do it, bro. It's got to be a way. I don't know where the stop loss got to be. I don't know nothing about nothing. But what I do know is I see it every freaking day, bro. Every day. Bro, you could eat off of this same support over and over. You just got to find out where your stop loss got to be. I don't know if it's waiting on one red candle to close and then just getting in after that. I don't know if it's just setting the sell limit and just saying, fuck it. I don't know, but I do know it's some money to be paid on that. It's the same, bro. The same positions. You can just take it over and over.
Yeah, for real, though.
Bro. Sell limit. Sell limit, sell limit, sell limit, sell limit. Just the same 50, 95 sell limit over and over. And you hardly seeing drawdown. And I guess on the times you are seeing drawdown, it's still playing out. It's just like you got to decide if you want to sit in this drawdown right here. But like more times than not, I'll take this win rate. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times it played out and 2 times it didn't. That sounds like it makes sense to me. I don't know. Maybe I need to get another little account, like a small account, and just test it. Like throw ones at every buy limit, sell limit I see, and just see how long it's gonna go. I'm telling you, bro. Throw that one on an ignite or something, a 50K ignite. Throw that one and just see. Why not?
You about to make me start playing the range game,
bruh. It's too easy. Nigga. You just, man.
You gonna maybe start set a sell limit for one and then set a buy limit for
bruh,
two.
And just come back and see what happens.
Set a sell limit for one and a buy limit for two. And then set a sell limit for a 3. See how many times I can keep doing it.
Bruh, why not? Bro, all you need is 30, 40 on a one.
Pop it, bro. Nah, that would be crazy.
That shit happens so fast too, bro. It gets going off of them little supports. It be tap it, gone. I be like, damn. You do have times where it blasts through like this.
Am I saying that right?
Huh?
No, I was just talking to myself. Like, am I saying that right? Because if I was to set a sell limit as a 1 and then a buy limit as a 2, it would take profit and still be in buy.
Get you in a one sell. Yeah. And just keep on
doing it.
Bruh, you legitimately can just lay your eyes that it's gonna go from this range or this side to this side over and over until it breaks out like this. You know what's going on. You can at least cover half the range, bro. It did it right here and right here. Boom, came down, came up again, came down. And what you saw, max 30 something pips. Like, bro, if you trading the right size, you really not tripping.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Let's see, because you're gonna hold for the 30 something. All right, it closed below on a 15, but closed above on a 5. I'm wondering if I should even be really worrying about the 5. That's not a bad opening at all.
You think it's gonna tap that?
I think once if it taps this support perfectly, I can set the sell stop.
That's what I was thinking.
It gotta tap it though, because that'd be it rejecting off of that. If it get close like this, I mean, I even like it now, but I really would love if it was tapping. And if whatever happens, right? Like I be saying. Damn, that's close. All right, it's tapped it. I'm gonna set my sell stop.
If it come back down,
Damn, I got different prices on my charts too. Let's see. He said I got one trade, 30 pips.
Nah, for real.
I know. Trust me, I know. But this is a 15-minute candle closure outside the range.
Came back
the wick fill already is 30. Down into this support is 65. Where did I find the support? Really like kind of over into here. Right there. So, I mean, 50-64 area shouldn't really be any issue at all. 50-63 area. If it wants to go ahead and flip down. We are at a 5-minute support, which really shouldn't be the end all be all, like right there. But I mean, we'll see if it is. So. I really want to set my buy limit, but it's damn near no point. Because they say that shit get me in. My profits don't even count. You got to wait till 10-second rule anyway. But over here on my other accounts, I can't.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm not waiting 10 seconds until I get back up to like for at least a couple hundred of drawdown.
You said you're not waiting 10 seconds?
No, not until I get back up.
So you just gonna take whatever was ever there?
Yeah. Since it can't be 50%, I might as well.
Oh, I mean, them little
$20 the account already fried.
Yeah, that shit good as gone, really. I had an account that was at $35 till blown. I just deleted that shit off my account. I was like, right. I ain't about to play this when I got perfectly good accounts that's ready to roll. Damn. I don't like when they do all this, make this big of a top flip.
Yeah, that's why I said if you want to come down.
Because when it make this big of a top wick, I'd be like, because think about what I always say. What does it have to do just to get me in?
Yeah.
You gotta fall.
What they gotta do?
That's that 70, 80 pip swing we talking about. That's good now. Oh,
yep.
Ooh. All right now. Damn.
It's about to do it though.
I see it,
but we'll see.
I got 1 minute till this candle closes. Oh man. Damn, I hate getting in near that end of that 5, bro. I hate it.
Me too.
I hate it. Do we delete? See how this shit open? I might drag this down and see what it want to do, and then set it again. Bro, I hate it. I'm gonna see how this can open. If it just fall, it just fall, bro. But one thing I'm not gonna do is get in on the okie doke. Like if I can get a nice top wick, retesting this again, I'll set it again. Well, we got by that last week.
Yeah.
I'm good on that. See, no top wick on the 5. Like, bro, no. If it activate, nah, I'm good. Still range to come down. I didn't delete it, but I moved it. I want this shit to flip again and break its own high. Damn. I just don't. All right, let's see. It would have got me in there. I'm deleting my order. I deleted mine. Anybody can keep theirs if they want to, but I deleted mine. Let's see how it plays out. I think it should. Well, never mind. Loss avoided. Loss avoided. Unless I was holding the 23, the minus 23, which I might have. I don't know. Antonio, I'm just so cool on that into that 5-minute entry, bro. I'm so good on it. I'm so good. There you go again. And it's flipping. Out of there. It's almost like we've seen this before. Damn, I wanted this. I wanted it too. I wanted it. I did. But the thing is, the same play is still in play at 9, a 1 hour closure below. Bro, why are we not taking this sell limit and buy limit? I hate that. Bro, but I will say, I had a good little consult on Monday with one of my business coaches, and she was just kind of like, if you do the same thing you've been doing, it's hard to expect like much better results. Like you might do what you've been doing, but like it's hard to really scale if you don't add something to your bag of tools. And I mean, I don't know if that. What'd you say?
I said that makes sense.
For sure. It's like, bro, I ain't gonna lie. I really don't hate that that support and resistance play, bro. I don't know what it looks like of us taking it, but I really don't mind that for some extra little pips a day.
Yeah.
Because I mean, you can size it down to. You really can size it down to whatever your comfortability is. Because say you take usually 1. If you do take 5 micros and you hit for 37, that's an extra $170. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah. And if you lose it, like, okay, bro, you lost 25 on a 5 micro. Like, you'll be all right. It ain't that big of a deal. Like I said, I can either keep talking about it and seeing it every single day, or I can do something about it. But that support and resistance play is not bad. Not bad at all. And you know what's really not bad here in the next couple minutes? Take out.
Oh yeah.
Closure below, clear closure back in range. What did we do when we closed above? Came up. I don't want none of this playing around though. But I think if it closes just above, wicks down first, breaks this high, all I want is 25.30. That's my trade for today. It's just so many options, bro. So many options in this trading shit. I think the bigger gripe is understanding your stop losses and to be fair, understanding where you want to get out as well. Because like, bro, you really can hold for this whole range every time. You can if you want to.
You can.
But it's like,
you for sure can.
Are you willing to wait 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 15-minute candles, so an hour, 15 minutes, or 1, 2, 3 15-minute candles, or 1, 2, like it's taking at least 30 minutes is what I'm getting to, like at least. And that is what I don't know if I have in my bag of tricks just yet. But just holistically, I see the vision, and I see that. I know that the whole range is 130, but bro, I'm continuously seeing that it taps these supports and rejects off in the span of, this is a 1 minute chart. 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes, 90 pips. 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes, perfect tap. I don't need the 130 if I'm getting that in 4 minutes.
Yeah,
because my stop loss in this or in that instance would have been just like right here, like the next closest low. And I guess if you do something like here, your stop loss will be, I mean, you can say the previous high, but you really can just go like middle of this range somewhere, like 40, 50, and say, like, bro, I don't expect it. If it really want to come down, I don't expect that it got to do all this. And if it does, it just volume went on my side at that time. I was just wrong. I don't know, bro. Maybe I'll get real. Maybe I'll get a little giddy with it. I got 150 Ks, so maybe I'll throw that one.
Try it.
I'll throw that one.
I might as well. I might as well try it. If I get a closure back in the range and it goes to that support, I'll try it. I'm gonna say that support.
And it goes to what? 73?
Yeah.
If you just gonna set it.
Mm-hmm.
It's such a better entry than that rebreak. Damn, my batteries just died on me. I'll put some new ones in. I'd be mad if I was trying to get in right now. I've avoided 2 losses today. I feel good. Feel real good. All right, let's see. Let's see if it's the batteries or if I need to unplug and replug. Yeah, it was the batteries. Bet. The real like I guess money comes when you can throw your real size on that retest.
Yeah.
But that's gonna take a couple months of back testing for me. I can't lie. Right now we not. I ain't gonna say limited, but right now we got 3 plays: daily low, fake out, breakout. But how long has it been since we had a daily low?
Yeah, bro, forever.
Bro, look at every day. Go federal. Every day. Like, we don't even be getting close to the daily lows. This is such a weird closure. The 1 hour is really what got me like, okay. I really think it's about to be some money to be made around 9:30. I just ain't gonna be here. Gotta be there at 9:30. Give me my Tonio play. I can take my little money and run. 1, 6, 5. Make sure I'm give me my little money. Telling you on TRADECOPIA, all I gotta do is not have 50% of my profits. The same way top one is 50% of my profits within under 10 seconds. Bruh. That means I can make 4,500 and it's 9,000 in under 10 seconds. Who am I to not take the money that's on the table looking good a couple times?
For real.
I promise you. And even on 50K, if you can make 2,000 or if you got to make 3,000 before you hit profit target, but take that 1,200, 1,500, 1,300. I'm telling you, TRADECOPIA got a whole thing to let you know what's going on. They like, oh, they got a micro scalping amount of trades held under 10 seconds, profit from those trades held under 10 seconds. They know, nigga. They know what's going on. Oh, I'm 1631 up. I will happily take my little whatever money I got going. All right, bro. Let's see. 20 seconds. If this shit nosedive, I'm gonna wait on my reflip. Just because I do like the bullet. I'd rather get in down here than have to wait all them pips to get in up here. That's 50 pips up. But let's just see though. Okay. Going down first. That's only a 20 pipper right now. I want a little more. Oh, I want a little more. I think it's good though. Okay, I'm gonna set it on the re-break, on the reflip. Just a simple closure above the range, respecting right there. Once it comes back up, I fully anticipate that it's gonna make a top wick. No top wick at all on this candle. This is the patented Antonio play, is it not? But what's the better entry? Just throwing that bit right now. But nah, ain't doing it. Big stop. The technical stop is big, y'all. Technical stop is big. I can't do nothing about it. What I'm gonna do is, I see minus 20, 25, gotta cut it, bro. Unfortunately. That's just what I have come to understand that I gotta do. $73.9, 6.9, 75. Let's see. Damn, I hope this shit don't get me out the paint before going and making this move. We know what's going on, bro. You know it's about to make a top wick. But I'm going to take what the market gives to me. So I'm trying to go for about 40 to 45. First and foremost, just at least up into this 5-minute support or resistance right here, which is 77 area. But I don't like it re-breaking its lows though. Come on now.
Yeah, it might be about to run off.
Any re-break, especially now it's about to break this wick and just and I want it, you know how we do. We want to get in that shit in the first minute or two of the candle.
Yeah.
It just broke it though, so maybe it activated people and want to come on up now. But if this 5 minutes start closing below these supports, it's really gonna go down. Yeah, bro. What I be saying, Antonio? It gotta not only come from 100 down to get me in, but I want another 40, 50.
Yeah, bro.
I think it's gonna do it too, bro. But I hate them big ass stop losses, bro. It can just so easily get you in, fall 30, and then still go. Like you're not near the stop. The stop is 100.
Yeah, I don't know about this no more.
What I do? I mean,
if it flip,
I still do like it. It's stupid, but I still like it, bro. My homeboy just texted me shit moving nasty today. Oh God, bruh, I ain't keeping this shit. This about to break this low and continue down. But you selling right into a support, right? Shit, really right here. You were kind of right at it. Man.
I need, what I really want is this 5-minute candle to open up straight down and tap this.
Yeah. Yeah. But it don't look like you getting that. I deleted that, by the way, y'all. I deleted that. I ain't.
Someone don't look like you did that. Yeah, definitely not.
That's still not bad, bro.
I might.
It's still not terrible, bro. Like, if it came, you talking about all the way down here? Or
Nah.
where I had my line?
Where you had your line? Oh, wow. Wow. Yeah, all right, buddy.
Yeah, bro. I'm good. I gotta go get dressed, bro. I do. Damn. I can leave the stream running and just kind of see what 9:15 holds. Because if we close under there at 9:15, I do like that. Or above it and rejecting. Because even look at the 5-minute, bro. Sorry. Under there. Like, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to keep the stream running. I'm going to get dressed in this next 10 minutes. And I'm going to see what 9:15 holds. Like I said, I got to be there exactly at 9:30. But I'll be back. So I'm about to mute myself, take myself off the screen, and get dressed. And I'll be back here in the next 7, 8 minutes.
All right.
Yeah.
You about to throw a 3, Antonio?
I can't. I'm gonna be honest. If I throw a 3, how much is that drawdown? 10 pips. 10 pips to no account, to account breach. I might as well throw a 3 though, huh?
Man, that spread gonna get you in. You looking at 4 pips. You still on Project X?
Yeah.
Enjoy it while you can. Bro.
When I get this new account, I guess I'm gonna be on TRADECOPIA. It's bad. You don't like it?
Hell no, bro. I just took a loss on the last trade. I moved my stop loss down like how James did, but that shit still got me in.
Yeah, that don't make sense.
I can't move no stop losses. Like this shit just. You don't have to trade smaller.
I'm back on
the phone. You on the phone though, right?
Even on both.
I'm back. What are we about to do, bro? I thought we was coming easy sales, but if it close respecting, I know what's going on. I'm open to either idea. I need a straight down closure or a closure below and a straight up. Come on, if it's gonna close below, go ahead and close below. All right, it looks like we closing above. Go ahead and close above. Closing right at it. All right, open down first. Flipping back and forth. There we go. On the reflip, on the rebreak.
Well, buy stop.
Yeah. Oh, damn, too late. And then, is it playing around? Damn. 30. Damn. That shit be going so fast, bruh. I don't even know what the entry was because it really was like, it made a little small top click. So you really would have seen like 25. But I mean, that would have been better than nothing. Yeah, like 25. I really think this shit about to break this low and go, to be honest. It's just, it doesn't have to come up so far now. Or come from up so far now. You better off, honestly, bro, at this point, waiting on a closure below. Even if that's on a 5 minute. There you go. So that little scalp was cool, but that's the real move. That's what I be talking about. Like, when these candles be closing like this, but they don't even be caring about no support that's near. It just be going. Because let me see what a 30 minute look like. Bruh, you near all these supports. Yeah, bro. Nah.
I can't call it.
Nah. I mean, that just gave 68, 70 on the break of that low. Bro.
I got in there so quick.
You say you got in?
That one click saved me today, so I ain't gonna lie.
Bro, why do you look at one click as bad? What is one click?
It is bad, bro. I just told you. Once you
I still don't understand what you're saying by saying
you have to you gotta manually get out. If there is no stop loss, you gotta manually get out. So what if there's news when you're in that trade? And that
so you can't just like, you can't set a sell stop when you can't set a buy stop when you're in this sell?
You can sell a buy or sell stop, but once the price hits and activates you, you cannot move a stop loss.
So let me see
So
if
you're
I'm
basically
misunderstanding.
just in the trade. You got to
Yeah,
manually
so
cut it off.
if I enter right here on a sell stop and I said, okay, I'm gonna set a buy stop for my stop loss 30 pips up, it wouldn't just get me out.
Yes,
I mean, yeah,
but
you got to do all
he's
that.
saying you can't move your stop loss down.
Oh, so
Yeah,
I guess I've been so used to TradeEvade, I'm not even like really thinking about that. Like I'm been so used to like having to do that. That's just what I gotta do. You know what I'm saying? So I guess you used to Project X and the fact of like, yeah, you can move it up and down, but bro, if I set a buy stop right here and I set a sell limit right here, that's my entry, that's my TP. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't really even think of it. But I see what you're saying. I do see what you're saying.
That's because you always get out of your trades manually anyway. If it
right,
gets
I'm
close
exiting
to your
all
TP.
anyway.
Yeah, when it gets close to your TP. But he's saying that the problem is you can't move your take profit at all.
Yeah, just like remember what happened with DJ when his shit news came, that shit went all the way up.
Yeah,
that could be the same shit if you don't.
Yeah, I get it. I definitely get it. I definitely get it. Like I said, I'm just so like I ain't even thought nothing of that because like I just be like that's what I gotta do. That's normally what I do.
Yeah,
but explain that concept you just said again. So that's something I gotta get. So your stop loss is basically like, let's say you put a stop sale.
Stop sale. They'll stop.
Your stop loss will basically be your buy limit. Is that what you're saying?
My TP?
Well, what would your stop loss be called?
A buy stop. The opposite.
Okay.
Oh, bro, if you in a sell, the opposite is buy regardless. If you buy limit, that's your TP. If you buy stop, that's your stop loss. I'm in a sell, buy stop, it's the opposite. I'm in a 1 sell stop, 1 buy stop, I'm out. 1 buy limit, I'm out, regardless.
Yeah, I gotta paper trade that shit, man. I'm about to practice that right now.
Yeah, bro, you'll literally get that in like a day. Like it ain't really, it's nothing crazy. Like it's just the opposite.
It's just
you want to buy, you looking to sell.
Used to dragging,
Yeah. I ain't. This sell don't look bad right now, depending on how this closes. Well, depending if this closes below. Let's see. Man, Antonio. Oh no, never mind. I was looking at that sell under here. Ooh, this don't look bad on the re-break. We got hold on that last week though.
Well,
but after it re-breaks this low, it should come down. Let's see. Ooh, I said a 45. I gotta go though. I gotta go. If it get like, I mean, bro, it's already 70, 80.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Nah. GG's.
It's no point. Well, I say it's no point, but let's see.
Go ahead and try it. Let's do it.
You might want to go ahead and set that sell stop or that buy stop, G.
Buy stop?
Or buy limit, excuse me.
Oh, buy limit. Why buy limit?
Yeah. Because, bro, you see how that order is set right now, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Well, before that trade executes, there should be a box that says, there should be 2 boxes that say TP and stop loss.
You got 1 click. That's why you're not gonna.
I got 1 click. I ain't worried about none of that.
Exactly. And even with the 1 click, you should still see it before the trade executes.
I seen it on my phone, I believe.
I think you see that when you press the trade button, like on the bottom. Because I did that too. Rather than on the right click, there's a trade that says trade button. And then that's when you can see.
Like I said, I mean, and more importantly, I can't even take nothing under 10 seconds anyway. So that's why I don't really be tripping about it. They take your profits if it's under 10 seconds. So me setting the buy limit right there and that shit hitting it ain't doing nothing. So that's also another thing. Yeah, I'm deleting this. But yeah, bro, like I said, don't overthink it. If you in a sell, the opposite is a buy. So whether you want to buy stop or buy limit, that's the TP. Buy limit, buy stop. I'm in a sell. When I want to get stopped out, buy stop. When I want to take profit, buy limit. But like I said, I gotta get out of here. I'll be on tomorrow though. Don't do nothing crazy. Looking probably for sales under 30 or a Tonio play if they respect some support. But I'll see y'all boys tomorrow.
All right, bro.
All right, bro. Be easy.
Uh,
Yeah.